Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a hoodie for this hooded jacket. So these are the measurements we need. You can draft it directly on the pattern or on the paper. So for the sake of clarity, I'm going to draft it on this paper. The first thing you need is a perfect edge. If you don't have a perfect edge, just draw a square. Remember, you can also do this on the jacket. So from the top side, my head length is 12. So you're going to measure from the perfect edge a perfect 12. And then we are going to add 1 inch for sewing allowance. And then the circumference from eye to eye is 18. So remember, if you're doing it on fabric, this side will be folded. So we are gonna measure, it's 18, but when it's folded, it's going to be 9. And then we're also going to add 1 inch sewing allowance. So we are going to measure 10. I'm going to carry these measurements down below here. 10. And at that point, we have the front side. And this is of course the back, and this is our height for now, but not the total height. I will explain why. Sorry, my paper is misbehaving. So this acts as our temporary guide. So remember, this is the back and this is the front. At the back, we normally have a little curve here. It doesn't box. So from this edge, we are going to measure 1.5, just like that. And we are going to draw a gentle curve. You can do this with your ruler, you can do it with the hand. You just need to curve the upper part, just like that. Okay, so that part is done. At the back, right here, we are going to come up by 1/2 inch. You need to remove that shape. And then now we are going to insert, this is the back, so we are going to insert the back neck this side from here all the way to here. You measure it and then you divide by 2 because it's folded. My back was 9, so I'm going to measure 4.5. There is no seam allowance at this point, I'll explain. 4.5. And then at this point, you're going to measure the front, this one right here. So for me, the front is 11, so we are measuring 5.5. And then now after 5.5, we are going to measure 1 inch, the overlap. I will explain that when we sew it. Then on this point, we are going to drop because we dropped our neck. You can see the height here is lower than here. Our drop was 3.5 on the hoodie. You normally do 3.5 less 1 inch. So if you dropped by 4 for an adult, you're going to be dropping by 3 here. And that's it. Let me extend this. I've always told you in my channel, hoodies are the most forgiving item you can sew. So I'm going to join these two, the front. This is the front. And then I'm going to slope the back as well. This is not the right one. You just need a gentle curve. Just like that. And now because we've gone in, we are going to gently slope it to meet our neck area. Let me show you that. Remember, we are focusing on this point because that's our neck depth. You first of all draw a guide, just like that, and then if you like your hoodie gently curved, you can start curving from this point maybe. But I like mine looking quite square and box. And don't worry about this difference, it will not show. It will be an overlap. At this point we will be overlapping, so this difference will not come all the way to the face. This is what will be showing on the face, and that's it. This is what we are going to cut. That's our hoodie finished, done. Remember, we added the seam allowance and the seam allowance this way. So that's exactly what I've done on this hoodie. Let me explain briefly. You can see the curve right here. You can see I raised it by 1/2 inch and then I dropped by 2.5 and joined it. Yeah. So now I'm going to cut this and then I'll show you how we're going to sew it to match our Ankara theme. So let's chop it. I'm using this for you that doesn't have a serger. And this is it. Remember, it was on fold. So this is what we are going to attach, but first we need to finish it up. Instead, to make our sewing easier, you can decide to separate it or just finish it as it is. At this point, we are going to take the matching piece of Ankara, and I have cut 2 strips. These are 3 inches wide. Yeah, and then the length, we are going to be finishing from here all the way to here. So just make sure it's enough. I'll show you how we finish it. So at this point, we are ready to sew. Remember to mark your good side and the wrong side. See you in the sewing video.